Hello, my friends. This is Kuka, the manufacturer of high-pressure washer and high-pressure washer pump. Each year, we will develop some new models. Let me show you the high-pressure washer pump. The high-pressure washer pump we can do from 100 bar up to 1,000 bar.
You sell this brand in the country?
And the flow rate we can do from 10 limits up to 142 limits. And for high pressure washer, we have the electric high pressure washer, gasoline high pressure washer, and the diesel high pressure washer. For home use, consumer use, industry use, and we also have hot water pressure washer. Yes, hot water pressure washer also can do electric, can do gasoline, and also can do diesel. And superjetter. Superjetter also can do electric, gasoline, and diesel. Yes, we have 4 series of high pressure washer pumps and high pressure washers. If you want to do OEM or ODM, we can do it for you. Want to know more about our factory information? Contact me. Kuka help you.